Yo! What is up, everybody? How's everyone doing? How is everyone doing today? We are back with another stream. I know I'm very late to the party. I was not home all day. But I did promise y'all I would stream, at least some of it. So here I am. And yeah. So like I said, y'all, we have a big day today. High risk. I know some of it's already happened, which I know I'm late. I'm very late. I know that. But yeah. We're gonna be here for maybe like about 2 hours, because I do have more plans with family tonight that I'm not missing out on. But I wanted to be here just to at least uh track some storms with y'all. And we also got another somewhat big day tomorrow. I am gonna be chasing y'all tomorrow. And around the central North Carolina area. Let's real quick take a look at that real fast. Site risk. A big 5%. That just this got extended so far south. 15 wind and then 5 hail. And that 5% tornado risk is gonna be for like central to western North Carolina. Yeah. I gotta see. Low tide convection should be ongoing across parts of the central southern Appalachian vicinity at 12Z Sunday. Destabilization ahead of this activity should be muted by weaker mid-level blast rates and substantially less boundary layer heating relative to the Florida Peninsula, but with very strong low-level shear winds, total gas will remain enlarged for tornado threat. The deep layer meridional wind profile should trend to mostly parallel convective bands, which may temper a more widespread damaging wind threat. There is some signal and guidance at a secondary round of late afternoon to early evening redevelopment into the Piedmont with boundary layer recovery in the wake of early day activity. Confidence in this scenario is low as stronger forcing for ascend may be displaced north at such a broad level. Two, slight risk for winds. Tornadoes remain appropriate at this juncture. So yeah, well, we're gonna see. I'm gonna be out mostly all day tomorrow, streaming this for y'all. Yeah, y'all. So we do have some storms to track. If I'm not mistaken, we do not have any PDS warnings or confirmed warnings at this moment. So that's good. It's always good news. All right. Then not too many tornado warnings going on right now. That doesn't mean that this event is done whatsoever. This is still this is still unfolding as we speak. We are gonna look at this. Yeah, here we go. So you can definitely see those winds. You can definitely see those winds coming together. It's somewhat high. It's not the highest that we've seen, but it's still there. What is up, everybody? What's up? What's up? What is up? Give me like 10 seconds to do something real quick. Alrighty. Let's see. We just got another tornado warning issued. All right, let's see this. Alrighty. All right. So yeah, this storm just got extended for a severe with for tour possible. I think we did just get another tornado warning, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, there it is. You can see why they warned that broad area of rotation. So that's gonna be something to keep an eye on, obviously. And yeah. So we do have 4 tornado warnings right now. One is gonna expire in the next 7 minutes. So that's gonna be some good news. All right. Let's see this real quick. Let's see. Let's go. Let's take this off right here. Let's see this real quick. All right. All right. Let's see if Mans wants to call. Give me a minute, y'all. Let's see if this dude answers. But yeah. Do you think tomorrow's going to be bad? Definitely not as bad as these past 2 days. Definitely not. But I think if we could somehow get like any type of clearing in front of these storms, that yeah, I think we have a chance. But but I don't think it's gonna go like I don't even think it's gonna go enhanced. Actually, I gotta look at the models real quick. Might as well look at the models since we don't have any confirmed tornadoes. Now we still have. Wonder if this goes out till tomorrow. Okay, that's 15Z.
Lucky wants to join. Or maybe not. I think
Alert!
he's gone. You should have called me a few seconds earlier before I left.
Oh, you left?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't realize.
I had to take a break. I didn't know if you wanted to call tonight.
Oh no, I did for sure.
Bro started without even calling me beforehand.
Yeah, I want to get my stuff situated. Sorry.
This dude. Oh man. Hold on, I want to go see. Hold on.
Okay.
Good, you talk.
So,
You say hi for once.
what's up, chat? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? I hope everyone is is doing good. Let's see. Trying to do something real quick. All right.
Is that observed or is I think GR2 is probably just bugging out again.
No, no confirmed
Oh
tornado.
nope, it is observed.
Is it? I don't see it.
Yep.
Where? Which one?
New one just got issued.
I see it now. And it's moving closer to the radar site, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh shoot, I forgot we had a radar set up there.
Well, it's moving there.
Yeah, let me go back up there. Okay, there you go. Yep, it's gonna get closer to that radar site. And that is apparently on the ground there.
But it is confirmed by. Give me 5 seconds. It is confirmed. Weather spotters. Alrighty.
Gracious day.
So, TRG, first off, other than today being high risk and all these tornadoes happening, how are you doing?
Hold on.
Okay. Uh, did you see?
Okay.
Did you see what I sent DMs early? Oh no, it never sent. Oh.
Yeah, that's probably why.
There we go. I changed it for like. I changed it, so that's the new thing. So I think that's better from than what I showed you. If you remember what I showed you.
No, okay. I'll go ahead and disrupt stream. Let me mute you, mute this, and play your video, Lucky. Let's see. That's worst for me.
Why?
I wouldn't put it there.
Why?
Yeah, no, I wouldn't put it there personally.
I mean, I don't think it's that bad.
Same. I am. It's not as bad as the other one you had because that would have been. you couldn't even get outside your car without something trying to probably fall off there.
Yeah, and plus that thing on where I put it first, that it would mess up that, and it's like it's leather, so and I kinda don't wanna mess that up. So I was like, "Why not just put it right there?"
Okay, I'll unmute you,
Alright.
Lucky. There you go. Yeah, I
Yeah.
don't see a CC drop on that. Oh, unless that's it.
But
I doubt that's it.
just north of Fairview,
What is it confirmed by?
weather spotters.
Oh, well, shoot, that's why.
I told you. Wait, you were probably
You
typing
probably
something.
did tell me.
You were probably
Yeah,
typing something, but yeah, I did. It's all
not
good, all good.
surprised. I wish I could see that storm in west central Alabama. That thing's invisible. Can you tell overconvection's a little issue, Lucky?
Just a little.
Also, west of the confirmed warning, using the Birmingham radar site, there's another area of rotation. This is a prefrontal that actually hasn't tried to produce a tornado till just now. It's
Alright,
over Arley,
using the Birmingham radar.
Birmingham, and then just go a little west of the confirmed warning, a little west,
Alright,
outside of the severe, a little
I
west
do see
more.
that, I do see that. Oh, wow.
Yeah,
How much you wanna bet that that's the next morning?
yeah, it probably will be. It wouldn't surprise me.
Yeah. So, like I said earlier when you were doing something, other than all the tornadoes and all the severe weather happening today, how are you doing?
Eh, I'm tired.
Honestly, I can't blame you. Bro's going on to, I think now 12, 1, I think 20 hours of coverage in the past 2 days, right?
um,
Or 21.
what? 11:30 plus what equals 20? Nine,
Uh,
is that nine and a
that's 8 and a
eight and a
half.
half?
Yeah.
45 minutes from 20 hours.
And then, if you decide not to chase tomorrow, you're gonna add another, probably what, a couple hours?
Yeah.
So, bro's gonna
We'll
do
see
it.
what Zero Z says tonight. And as much as I want to go out there,
It might
I
not
just
be
don't know
it
if it's going to be worth it.
'cause it looks so messy. Now the only reason
I feel
why
like if I stay here, you're going to see a tornado without me, and if I go, we're going to see nothing.
that's what I'm saying, like, I'm not gonna say
So,
if that second round forms, I feel like because if you go back to, I think it was 12Z. Let me see if it was 12Z since okay, well, never mind, I can't say it since we don't have a confirmed warning anymore. But
yeah, we
12Z
do. For
is
Union Grove, New Hope, and Grant, northeastern Alabama.
that's 2 p.m., 3, 4, 5, 6. That second that second line fires around 4 or 5. And if you look at it on the 12Z ARRR hour 34, and you go to we'll do like we'll do Cape, then about 1,000. And then if you go to SRH, it's in about 0 to 3 kilometers. It's about 300. Then 1 kilometer, I think it's about 100, 150. It's an SCP of wow, right near 3.6. And a super cell composite of like 5. And it's got that objectivity thing of 176 meters squared. I want to see what you know what I haven't checked for it, the NAM model. Um, but that's because I don't like the NAM model. How about that?
Yeah, I don't either.
That NAM model makes me want to stay home. I'm gonna get a sounding, see what it says. This is south of my area, about 50 miles south. Let's see. I would say do a poll for yours, for to decide, but yet again, everyone's probably gonna want us to chase together. So, but that'd be like an automatic yes. I mean, this is astounding. I got oh, ill lapse rates. Yuck. Surface at 3 kilometers, 6.1, 3 to 6, 6.4. Yuck. This is what is this? That's astounding. Just actually I can
That honestly, the storm west of the confirmed warning looks way better. I'm a little surprised we don't have a warning for Addison right now.
I was just looking at that storm. Where was I looking at it at? It was this was right here. There you go. Yeah, right here.
But you're getting way too into this threat. That's probably going to be nothing more than a bit of moderate rain.
No, what do you mean? I'm back on Red Omega. I was
I
looking
was
at
looking at the sounding you sent me. The NAM didn't verify by any means today, so I highly doubt it's going to do well for tomorrow.
oh, you know what? I forgot I can get an HRR
And
sounding.
here's a warning.
All right.
It's the storm I was talking about.
Yep.
So we'll keep an eye on that. Oh, there is definitely a chance for a second spike in activity. Yeah. And here comes another tornado warning. Let's see. Yeah, there's definitely a good chance for a second peak. I'd say probably at 10. Probably has the best chance for a second peak right when the LLJ is probably going to peak at almost like 75, near 80 knots. That's probably a good assumption for a second possible peak. But still, overconvection should relatively limit that. So I do think we could see a second peak. And why is because I think once this cold front just speeds up and kind of, it doesn't have to fully catch up, but just at least when it gets close to this line or this crap vection in front, it should at least increase the threat somewhat. Just probably not that, ridiculous of an increase. If I had to guess where that best threat for an increase would be, probably just south of the Birmingham Metro. Somewhere in here. But these storms are moving pretty fast. I mean, compared to the HRRR, they're a good, and HRRR's right. It may end up being with these cells down here as they move up northeast, south of the Birmingham Metro. Regardless, I think there's a chance for a second peak. We might have another chance for a violent tornado tonight. Another possible violent tornado tonight, but it's hard to say how high of a chance that is. I'm going to go to the Birmingham radar again. There you go. Yeah, that area is pretty strong on rotation, but I think it's overdoing it quite significantly. I don't think because we're far from our radar site. I don't think it actually is showing that this rotation is not this intense. I think it's overdoing it. All right, Lucky, I'll let you know when I see something. That way you can talk.
Alrighty. Alrighty, yup. So yeah, we are tracking these storms. This storm just got warned. Radar indicated tornado warned. And then we got another observed warning. How does it look on this one? Alright. So yeah, we do have one confirmed warning. If you're in any tornado warning, please be in your safe spot no matter what. And just you gotta run there. Alrighty, let's see. Alright, let's see. Oh, let's go right here, right there. I think we did just get another tornado warning issued. Maybe. Yeah, look, I mean, y'all look at this. This is crazy. From what I've seen, I was at work today, y'all. This is crazy. Today was crazy so far. All right. Let's see. All right, so yeah. These storms are still really far away from the radar sites though, so we do gotta keep that in mind. Especially if we see a CC from this far away, that would probably mean that a tornado is probably a strong tornado. All right, let's see. All right, let's see these other warnings right here. Let's go back over here. That confirmed warning did get dropped to a radar indicated warning. So that means the tornado is not on the ground, but that still means you're still under a tornado warning. So still stay in your safe spot until you are outside of that warning. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Alright, alright, alright. So these storms are still let's see, let's do this, that. Let's see. Let's do we'll still keep an eye on these storms because they're still they're still something to keep an eye on. Alright, let's see. I don't know which radar site to use. Oh, I do have a tornado warning right here. I see why they warned that. That that little area of rotation. Oh, there's actually two trying to spin up. One right there, and one right there. So if you're in that tornado warning, please be in your safe spot no matter what. No, no, you're good. You're good, Lakeisha. It's all right. All good. Good guys. I will tell you this. I'm probably not gonna be streaming too long today. We'll probably stream until about 8:15, which is a 2 hour stream because I got plans tonight and I have a big day tomorrow. But don't worry, I'm gonna make it up with a long chase just for y'all. And yeah, I hope you guys understand because I do want to keep streaming, but like I said, I got plans. So y'all will see me on the road tomorrow. Who's in a level 2 out of 5 today? As far north as almost Cincinnati, Ohio. So most of Kentucky you'll be watching. Yay! So as far north as Louisville, far west as Lexington, Tennessee, and then as far south as well, the Gulf. Far east as Hickory, North Carolina. So yeah, I'll just be weather aware. Let's see. Let's see this, y'all. Let's see this. All right. Let's do this. All right. Let's go back to these warnings. Oh, one of these warnings did just get um discontinued. So they just canceled one of the tornado warnings. So if you were in that warning, please be still weather aware, but you are outside of the warning, so you do not have to be in your safe spot. Let's see. Let's do this. Uh, Sorry, guys. I am trying to do something real quick. Prepare for tomorrow. Trying to do something, y'all. Let's see. Yeah. All right. I think we got it. All right. Let's see. So some of these warnings are getting canceled, which is good. So we got two that expire in about 20 minutes and one that expires in about 36 minutes, which is good. Let's see. Let's do this. Definitely a lot of over convection though. Alrighty. Let's see.
Lucky.
Hello there.
I know you just started. Don't you have something planned tonight?
I do.
What time?
8:30.
Oh, dang. So you're gonna leave 20 minutes before the 0Z renders. So you're ending at what, 8 probably?
8:15.
Okay. Okay. Because
It's
I'm thinking we might get a second peak, and I don't know.
a lot of convection though. Very lot of over convection. So, but I don't disagree with you, but one thing that may limit it is the over convection, but still the environment's still gonna be crazy though. I just think that all that convection is still using some of the ingredients
Yeah, but I'm looking at more the south area, like the southeast high risk.
near like just west of Montgomery, Alabama. That's
Yeah,
yeah, that area.
here I'll send you a screenshot. That's where I'm thinking we could get another peak. That area I'm pointing south to.
That area you're pointing south to.
Yeah.
All right.
And I think that that could start up crud. What did I say, chat? I forgot. I think I said between 8 and 9. I'm gonna try to make it to the 9 o'clock outlook, and then YouTube cuts me off at 11. Nope, 10:20 p.m.
Uh,
So I'm not too sure what I'm gonna be doing. I'm really not, because I don't know if this threat's gonna reignite or what. I mean, there's really not much to watch right now. I know we have 3 tornado warnings, but honestly, they're all very low end.
and very far away from the radar, if I'm not mistaken. Well,
Only the one
does
in
one
the one in more of northeast Tennessee is pretty far from the radar.
northeast Tennessee is far from the. You mean
Yeah,
northeast Alabama, or do you mean?
no, Tennessee.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, those two
The
are
one in
pretty.
Crossville, Tennessee.
Yeah, those two
No,
are
because the one in southeast Tennessee we have the Huntsville radar for,
right. I did just look at
and
that.
then the one in north central Alabama, Huntsville radar.
Yeah,
So it's just that one in east central Tennessee, not really northeast, like I said.
yeah. You confused me there for a second.
You were looking towards Bristol, weren't you?
Let's see. Northeast. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Not that far northeast yet.
What do
Now,
you guys think? Shut it off here a little early and just send you guys on over to Lucky
what?
for a bit,
Oh,
or just stay here waiting for something to happen. Because we could make it all the way to the 9 o'clock update, but I don't know if it's worth it.
I mean, I just
It
wanted.
would be worth it to let you guys know, what's happening. But
Yeah, I just wanted to stream and at least uh document that I streamed some of the high risk. 'Cause, I mean, I wasn't gonna not stream at all. Yeah, I mean, I was at work all day, so I mean, I kind of missed. I'm not gonna say everything because, like you said, there might be a chance for another peak, but it's just you don't know. But I did miss most of it.
try to do. Let's see a poll.
What's lucky? What lucky? What's your? Do I have permission to type in chat?
Never.
Okay,
Sure.
okay. Sorry, Caleb.
What to
Ban.
do?
I'm not
Get
gonna vote.
banned.
I'm not gonna vote. Actually, I kind of want to vote because I'm gonna. Obviously, I'm gonna
Ah,
say send to me. Actually, do I vote? Yes or no?
nah.
Okay. You got.
You'll rig it.
Well, you got to tell me what the like.
38, 62, 62. Stay here.
Ah.
44, 56.
All right. How long are you gonna do this poll for? Until
I'll give it
7:20.
at least 10 minutes.
All right. Fair enough. Yeah, I mean,
See.
now we're down to 2 tornado warnings. Have we been tornado warning list today at all?
Yes, at the start,
Oh,
but it's
okay.
been a hot minute. It's been a hot minute.
I bet.
Now we have no warnings, no severe or tornado warnings in the high risk. The only warning in the high risk is a flash flood warning.
I just closed the poll, so I can't even see it anymore. Because I could not see chat.
It's 45-55, so barely winning on stay here.
I mean, I don't care if you send them to me or not, or it's there. I don't care. I'm just here at least. All I wanted to just, do is just be here at least for a little bit.
Watching this HRRR come in and watch it show like a big storm. Yeah, it does. It shows a secondary peak. Now it went an hour later. Now it shows 11 p.m. Actually, that's like 3 hours later.
But I should be.
And see, that's what the HRRR gets you for. You stay here for the next one, and it's like, oh no, 2 more hours. Next hour goes by. Oh no, now it's 2 more hours. Next hour goes by. Whole threat's gone.
Yeah, facts. It do be doing that. But
Same thing in North Carolina. You stay out in the middle of central North Carolina for 6 hours, waiting and watching it, and then just one HRRR one, it's all gone.
all gone.
Nothing's left.
Nothing there. All gone. Nothing. But wait. So TJ, what time does it 800Z start rendering in again?
8:50 p.m.
All right. So I'll be because
You also got a note. I haven't eaten since breakfast this morning at about 9 a.m.
go eat right now. Actually, well, we don't know what the poll is gonna be, so I'll say after the
But I
poll.
do have a snack right to my left that I could easily grab.
What is it? A granola bar?
Um, Very similar to it. Little tiny more sweet. Eat my
Uh,
computer. I'm not lucky.
yeah. Chat. Are we serious right now? Are we serious right now? Like, please tell me we're not serious.
Nah, but yesterday was pretty bad. I gotta tell. Lucky, meet me on your end.
All right, I got you. I'm looking at it. You are muted. Dang. That's gonna help with something. Well, that, that's good and bad, but
Night.
yeah, let's.
Cookies? Nah, I wish.
No, don't say the word cookies. He's banned from cookies.
Cookies.
He's banned right now from cookies.
I'm not banned. I can eat what I want.
You gotta be committed to your goals, bro.
I already hit my goal.
Went to the grocery store today, bro, and just like at the register, you know how there's like always candy.
That is a lot of flood warnings over Tennessee. Dang. I just realized that. There's like 8 over central Tennessee. Legacy, is it a little rainy out there?
I feel like Lucky appears when you're sleeping and eats random objects in your room.
He do be doing that though, for real.
Dude, guys, okay, guys, it is not that bad. I don't be eating like that. I'm not even. I don't even eat as much as I am supposed to. With my
Also, by the way, y'all, we're down to all normal severes, only 6 of them, and just 2 normal radar indicated warnings for tornado
and
warnings.
two considerable flash flood warnings.
Oh yeah, the flooding is probably the biggest threat at the moment.
It's because of all this
I mean, we do have
convection.
those 2 tornado warnings, but both of them don't really. I mean, you definitely should be seeking shelter for sure, but if we just go to them really quick, I mean, there's no rotation on the radar here, and there's nothing up here, so definitely seek shelter in those tornado warnings just in case we manage to see one intensify. But I mean, right now the flash flooding is very widespread from central Tennessee through northwest Alabama, northeastern Mississippi, all the way down into southeast Mississippi as well. YouTube keeps telling me that I'm not talking, and it's giving me little red flags over here. And I'm
Lucky,
obviously talking.
lucky body reveal warning. He's huge. Well, huge in what way?
Bruh.
I mean, hey, you gotta clarify. A lot of y'all have seen what I
Um,
look like. If not, you'll see it tomorrow at least, because 'cause I'll be, out in the field.
so is it pronounced data, or I think you're supposed to say, is it pronounced data or data? I say both.
I say both. Yeah, I was about to say, I say both.
I
It
say
just
both. It just depends on the way I'm using it.
yeah, but I feel like I say data
More.
more,
Yeah, I agree.
but especially when I'm talking about weather, I think I say data more. Only when it comes to, like, weather, I feel like. Actually, you know what? I don't know, actually. I think it's really just 50-50.
Man. I think the violent tornado threat's done. I'm gonna be honest with you. There's still the tiniest opportunity we get a violent tornado if something can really get out and become a prefrontal out here in about 3-4 hours. When that LLJ gets up to like 75, near 80 knots. But I'm not very confident in that. I do still think we could see an isolated strong tornado out here, though. I mean, you guys, it is. Oh, someone keeps changing their vote. 32 to 68.
Fair enough.
Now the question is, how long does that mean y'all want me to stay here?
2 minutes.
How long am I trapped? I am trapped here forever. How terrible. Lord have mercy. I don't know if I'm chasing tomorrow, chat. I've been asked all day. I don't know. I know about as much as you. I know there's a 5% tornado risk. I know there's a chance for a chase, and that's about it.
We gotta see what happens at the 00Z models, y'all.
I kind of feel like I'd be more useful sitting here and giving Lucky my radar analysis so that way he doesn't have to try to look at radar so often with bad cellular data. Data.
Data.
See, data. Cellular data. Now that doesn't sound right. Cellular data. It's cellular data. But if I go to the meso analysis, I'm gonna say, let's go see the newest data.
Yeah, exactly.
And then it's cellular data. So I switch it. I do. I use both. Is that thing becoming a beast?
Where?
He looks very suspicious. Uh, uh, the one in southwest central Alabama, in the middle of the high risk, south of Tuscaloosa, near Butler, north of Thomasville, southwest of Marion, southwest of Greensboro, over Demopolis, just crossed the Mississippi Alabama border. See him? Yeah. Wakey,
Huh?
wakey.
What? Stop. Don't tell me. Hello? Uh, no. It can't be. Right? I'm getting error coded!
Just kidding, you're still here, but you probably got arrow coded. I think he's getting error coded. And that is the last we ever heard of Lucky.
Bro.
Goodbye.
Hello?
Yep, you're still here. You're good. And on your stream.
Alright, that's good.
You just cut out.
No.
You're back.
Okay.
We were
Okay.
trolling you for a second, but then you fully left.
I think y'all just hate me.
Yeah, we do. Not. Did you see that storm though?
Lucky, you're the type to what?
Did
Storm?
you see
Where?
the storm? Yeah.
Where?
Storm where,
Wh
buddy?
which one?
I literally explained it all out. Near Butler, Demopolis,
Butler's in Pennsylvania.
southwest of Tuscaloosa,
I know where Tuscaloosa is.
southwest of Marion, Alabama. We're down to 2 severes and 1 tornado warning.
Butler. Found it.
Yeah, on Butler. It's really like on Butler.
Which radar site?
MRMS. There's no good one.
Okay, MRMS. Let's see.
It just looks like it's a mature cell, but it's not actually like rotating. At least I don't think it is.
Yeah, it does look like a mature cell. Definitely does.
Oh, it's done like 50 billion mergers. Wonder if that could try something. Demopolis. Demopolis? No, Demopolis. I'm calling it Demopolis.
Caleb said, "Lucky, you're the type to say instead of phone, you would say cellular device." God, I gotta charge my cellular device.
Dude. You see the HRR Doomcast yesterday? I think everyone saw it, yeah.
Lucky crashed out so hard he got error coded.
But thankfully, we didn't have to actually deal with that scenario.
We are left with one tornado warning that expires in 3 minutes, and if we do
Let's
not get,
go.
if we do not, no, if we do not, TRG better knock on wood.
Go.
TRG, knock on wood. Whatever wood is near you, knock on it. Thank you. Thank you.
My desk is made out of wood. Oh, hey, severe warning, torque possible.
What? Where?
Yep. Right over, going right towards the Huntsville radar site.
How does it look? How does it look?
Not that good, honestly.
Okay.
No tornado warnings.
Stop. Stop.
No tornado warnings.
Okay, God, clip it.
3 severes. For the first time, I think it about, and we got a tornado warning. You can't make this up.
No, you're lying, right? You're lying, right? No, you're
Southeast Mississippi tornado warning.
not. Yo, I thought it worked.
You cannot make it. Someone in chat needs to clip that.
Yo.
Lucky, stop your stream and go clip that.
Yo. No.
Dude. Hey. For 3 seconds, we were tornado warning list for the first time in about 8 hours. I'll take it.
I'll take it, bro.
I'll take it. Dude.
Can we get an L tornado warning in chat?
Last bottle of water. I just realized that.
Can we get an L tornado warning in chat?
L tornado warning, man.
L
to be honest,
warning.
though, it was very much needed because that's strong rotation.
Yeah. Yeah, that is strong rotation, but it's still L tornado warning. As in, like, you know, we don't want a tornado warning. We want just maybe just severes.
Clipped. Let's go. Can I copy that message? All right, I'm gonna have to mute Lucky. I'm gonna just pull this up. I'm gonna send this to our DMs, Lucky.
All right.
Because you literally can't make that up, bruh.
You really can't. That's so crazy, bro. Like what type of luck are we, bro?
Another tornado warning.
What? What? Oh, it's the same storm, just in a bigger extension. For 46 minutes.
Give me a second.
All right.
Oh, yeah, I'm trying to clip this, but we just got another tornado warning.
I'm trying to be quiet.
Because this is crazy.
It is crazy.
Okay, I need to make it longer.
I'm analyzing how long I have the storm chase. It's still the sun's setting right now and it's 7:15. So I have until like 7:45 until it's like almost, actually no, 8 until pure darkness. So I basically have until 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. to chase. Knowing me,
Dude.
I'll probably do a 12-hour stream. I'll probably head out here at like 9. The Pinwood 00Z says what time the storms will be.
There you go. There's our clip.
Did you name it something? No, tornado
Yeah.
warnings, JK.
No tornado warning, JK. Okay. Let me unmute Lucky now. So we do
Hey
have
guys.
a whoa, jeez, calm down. So we do have a tornado warning with actually about 110-mile-an-hour rotation, pretty strong, going right for Waynesboro in southeastern Mississippi. Also, keep an eye on that storm. Me and Lucky were pointing out before these tornado warnings. This one here, well to the south of Tuscaloosa, Alabama. All right, I'm gonna end that poll. It seems like we're gonna be staying here for longer. Considering 61 stay here, 38, that doesn't equal 100. Send to Lucky, so we're gonna just stay here for a while longer. I know. Hey, Lucky, if you want to chat and chat again, you guys can go. You can still stay here and watch this stream, but you can also go to Lucky's stream and just annoy him.
Let's okay.
So you
I
can
guess we can
still
do
go
that.
annoy him. Because I know some of y'all were wanting to go do that.
TRG, I was told to ban you for not eating.
What? Bro, that's crazy. Well, I don't like to eat on stream.
Fair enough.
But don't worry, I've drank like 3-4 bottles of water, so that, you know, compensates somewhat, right? Because that's like, what, 3.5 pounds of water right there? Literally.
Yeah.
Somewhere around there. Yeah, but good on the SPC for not going 45 sig today. Because things were even overperforming in the morning, so I thought it was a good chance they would go 45 sig and they didn't. So let me see here. Okay. It's still a good area of rotation inside that tornado warning. We'll just monitor it. You can see it there going up towards Waynesboro. And we are back down to 3 severes. We were at 4 for a moment, but the one in New Orleans has expired. So 2 tornado warnings, 3 severes now active. Little area of rotation, a few little areas of rotation actually, while northwest of Birmingham, just some small mini cells. You have fun, Lucky. Good night.
Alrighty. Alright, guys. We are still here. We're still here. Let's see. I think try to look at the storms, y'all, for tomorrow because I'm still I gotta be like on top of it. Caleb, the answer to that question is it is called a Google. Look it up. It's true. Look it up, Caleb. It's called a Google. I think it's like Googl. So Yeah, so but we do have this tornado warning, y'all, for the next 25 to 40 minutes. 20 24 minutes for this one and 39 for this one. So hopefully this rotation dies out and we don't have any more tornado warnings, hopefully. That would be really good. As long as we don't have any warnings, we can be good. All right, give me 1 second. Alrighty, let's see. I'm glad I got to be here though, no matter what. Even if I'm not even though I wasn't here for the whole thread, I'm glad I was still here for a little bit of it, which is which is good. Let's see. Did today's risk overperform? I think it performed just right, honestly. That's what I think. From what I've heard, I think it performed just right. And an overconvection kind of just killed the rest of it. That's just all right. Let's see. Let's see. Hey guys, if you haven't already, make sure you do like and subscribe and turn the post notification bell on so you do get notified when I do go live or make a video. And share this channel with your friends and family. Let's help get the word out to people. Let's let them know what weather's coming their way. And yeah. All right, let's see. Let's do this, do that. Let's see what this is. Let's see. Let's do that. Let's do. We're gonna see what happens with these storms. But yeah, yo, we just got so many tornado warnings. I'm not gonna lie to you. I just missed like 3 or 4.
So I jinxed us.
Yeah, I see that.
We're at 5 tornado warnings, and we actually have more tornado warnings than severes. 3 severes. For a second there, we were at 5 tornado warnings. Now we're back down to 4.
Whoop whoop.
Waiting for the beep to make it 5 again.
Dude, that
There's a few storms that I'm watching in that big cluster I pointed out, well southwest of Tuscaloosa. There's kind of two embedded cells that I'm keeping an eye on in there, and then also um, pretty far north. I might have to use the Huntsville radar site, northeast Alabama. There's a few mini cells to just watch in north central Alabama that
yeah,
are just north of the Birmingham metro. But most concerning storm is probably still the one in southeast Mississippi.
yeah, for sure. TRG, you know what I can't wait for? Just for us?
I don't know, that one in southeast Tennessee is pretty good too. What?
I can't wait till just we get a North Carolina semi-discrete or discrete mode.
Well, there's a chance it's a semi-discrete to clustered mode tomorrow,
Yeah.
as opposed to a crazy linear.
Look
There's
look
a
look 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 look
chance.
look look at the end of the 22Z ARRR. Look at that little cluster. That slams me.
Let's see, 22Z.
Yep. And it's a l
Bro,
and it's a little later than normal too. I think that's at like 11 AM, so that would give me time to sleep.
dude, that's completely different than the 18ZH triple R.
I know. This one has a little more cluster
You know what?
than
It's just a lot more north. That's what it is. I don't know if that would be the best scenario for tomorrow in terms of chasing.
I just
It
gotta
depends if you're wanting more of that second round to pop off, or if you're really wanting to go for more of a QLCS again.
I wanna go for more of that second round. I'm just hoping well, Imma go for both regardless, because if I go for one and the other doesn't form, then I can at least say I got something.
The
But
NAM's more confident in the second round than the first round by a milestone. Matter of fact, the NAM actually has a strong tornado threat tomorrow to your west.
that's what I'm saying. Um, I feel like I might book it I don't know. I'm gonna just wait at home and then leave and just travel around, like, the Raleigh-Durham area, then just book it west.
Yeah, if that second round gets looking good, I'm definitely going.
Especially if,
Yeah,
um
PDS tornado sounding to your west
what?
with an EML. Yeah, if the NAM's correct, I am going.
You'll see me and TRD tomorrow, y'all.
And then the H triple R just has nada, nothing. So you might want to hope for that first round to just not happen. Because if that does just simply not happen, it won't leave a cool pool, and we will probably get some clearing
That
tomorrow afternoon.
that's what I'm saying. I'm hoping for some type of clearing, even if it's, like, half. Like, not full overcast, if it's just, like, I guess, partly cloudy. Or even mostly cloudy, that's still gonna be some type of clearing. Clearing is gonna be our best friend tomorrow. It, if there's clearing, that's our best friend, and that has a clearing just in general has a history of, favoring better severe weather. But I feel like I don't know, I feel like this overconvection still, even with this threat, might translate into tomorrow, though. I feel like this could be a little
No,
too
Lucky,
much.
you forget we have something called the Appalachian Mountains that's going to ring out all this.
You're right. And it's just if there wasn't seriously, if this was not
I think
overconvection
it's still somewhat going to translate, especially all that rain in Tennessee.
yeah. I feel like if we didn't have this much convection, we would have a good amount of clearing tomorrow. I feel like. 'Cause think about it, then, the Appalachians won't have to, ring out all those, like, clouds and stuff.
I think I'm going to get up early just in case.
I'm
Yeah, CSU just went 10% for tomorrow.
Where?
Uh this is South Central NC,
That's perfect.
like northeast of Charlotte.
That's a little far. Um,
No, like that would probably be
near Fayetteville?
yeah.
That's honestly
Yeah,
perfect. That would honestly be perfect.
that's what I'm thinking,
We could
yeah.
book it on the interstate literally for, like, an hour, and that's it.
But the CSU placement for today's risk was off,
By a lot or just a little bit? Is
by a
NatoCast back up?
good yeah, that was way off.
Is NatoCast back up?
I said yes, and it was
Okay.
way off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Well,
CSU was off with the best placement. Uh, I'd say probably 50 miles too far east on CSU.
what did it have for, like, wind threat? 15
It did
6?
horrible today. It said 45% over Alabama, Mississippi. We didn't see any type of. I don't even think we had any severes to 80 today.
What about tomorrow? What does it say for tomorrow?
We did get a 70 mile per hour severe in the SPC's 45% or 45 sig today. I don't know if they got rid of that. Nope, still there. For tomorrow, it has 15.
Okay, not 15 sig.
Actually, it has 26.1.
Okay, well,
A non sig
okay.
and little hail threat, but not a big hail threat. So now that I look at this, I'm getting a little more interested in tomorrow.
That's what I'm saying. We
Especially that first round doesn't interest me much, but what comes after that does.
and what time does it say? I think it's, like, 4 or 5 PM?
Ooh, only problem is wind shear with that second round. The first round has plenty of wind shear.
No, I thought the second round also has one shear.
The first round has like 700 lower level helicity.
What is the second round?
Wait, no. First one, yes, that's correct. And Cape with that first round is like 500 or so.
And the second round is in, like, 1,000, isn't it? Because it's more
Yeah,
like
second round's like 1,000, 1,500 Cape, but
shear
lower level
is
wind shear is like 150,
us
100 to 150. And
0 to
then
1
mid
or is it
level
oh,
is 0 to 1. And then mid level is like 120 as well. So
ooh.
it's not good.
It's okay, it's definitely not good, but it's okay, I feel like. Not like okay as in, like,
Well, then the NAM goes ahead and flops a good old 300 0 to 1 for the second round.
we want the NAM to happen.
Oh, they just warned that storm I was talking about a while ago. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
That is for Uniontown in central Alabama. Uniontown, New Bern, Marion. Big old warning there. That's what I was talking about before. I think that has a good chance to potentially produce eventually. Hard to see that from any radar, but I guess Birmingham's the best one here. Let's see. So I guess it's now a waiting game for 0Z tomorrow, huh?
Yep. And I should be back up for by the I should be back because the thing I'm doing has a the thing I'm doing, I'll be able to be done for a little bit at, like, 9:15. Nah,
It won't be done by then, buddy.
not, for Arthur?
Definitely not.
Alright, well, then I mean, it might not be 9:15. Actually, it might be 9:15. But
Yeah,
I'll be done with it
it's.
at 10:30, 10:45, so either way,
Let me do math.
whether you're
Um,
whether you're
I think
streaming
it will
or
be
not.
done about. I think it will be done about 9:25, 9:30.
Alright. Well, whether you're streaming or not, I do wanna call and just, like, just talk about we can discuss, like, look like, take a, like, a I'm talking about, like, a deep dive into that 00Z ARRR.
For it all to change tomorrow morning.
Yeah. I mean, I'm gonna go to bed early, I might as well, and then just wake up early, and then yeah, see what happens.
I just remembered that, Lucky. Yippee. Probably barely though. It's a lot.
You're right. I got you one more. You're good. You helped me this week, bro. I got you. Helped me a lot, actually.
I'll see. So I'll make that call probably in the morning. When should I let's see. So if I want to be in Raleigh for this morning threat at 11.
You would have to leave at like 9.
Yep, I have to be
Or
out of here at like 8:30.
yeah, and then get your stuff together and gas by 9.
Yep. I'll s- I'll see y'all. We'll see. Wait. When you realize tomorrow's Sunday too, so you also have a second device?
Ooh, we
I
might,
do have a second device.
so we can both stream it.
I can definitely stream tomorrow a storm chase because it's a
Aha,
Sunday.
aha.
I've got to go.
You gotta go. It's just it's a must at this point.
I've got a second device because tomorrow's Sunday. I only have a second device on Saturday and Sunday for storm chasing. And that just happened to land on Sunday. There's no way that's not a coincidence, bro.
It's a sign, TRG. I mean, this could be the time if it just plans out right, if it just plays out how it looks, then it could be.
Imagine we wake up to a 10 sig tour. Dude. Is that asking too much?
I'll be happy with a 10.
uh,
If it goes enhanced, it's going enhanced for central and kind of like central North Carolina into like a little bit more west, like Greensboro type.
if it goes enhanced for anywhere but like southern South Carolina, I'm going.
So
Even if for some odd reason it goes up to DC.
I'm not going to DC.
There's no way it goes up to DC, bro.
I know, but just either way, I don't think I'm going unless I know I'm gonna see a tornado. I'm not going to DC.
Dude, like the NAM 3K has almost 2,000 instability in West Tennessee at 3. It does have 2,000 instability.
Wait, check. Can you check lapse rates? Just get a sounding.
I can.
Get a sounding and see if it's anything
If it's
above.
anything more than 6, it's really, really good.
I would say anything above 6.5. Honestly, we've had 6 one time and just nothing happened or very little happened.
All right, NAM 3K sounding over just to your northwest. So this is near probably, I'd say like Yanceyville.
Yeah.
In between that and Roxborough. 6.2.
Mm,
But
mid levels.
7.
Okay.
However, the lower level wind shear is 400 helicity.
That might be a little too much. I feel like,
Mm,
but that's also might be perfect. What was
your
it
3 cape is also 72, which
for North
that's
Carolina? That's
not
good.
horrible. Yeah, that means you've got some lower level instability.
All right. What about any like dry air or anything like with like
There's a
the
small kink at the 800 millibar,
so if anything they would be
but
so surface
I
based.
don't think that would really hurt it.
What's your LCL and LFC? Where are they at? Are they spread out or close together?
Close
Okay, that's good.
and low too. So
Yeah, that's
basically
surface
that
based.
yeah, very surface based. Like you could get some low clouds just right off the bat. So that type of wind shear could be spinning tiny little storms easily.
Ooh. Okay, so this is where it really just other than tomorrow morning, but the deciding factor is definitely 0 0 Z. That really is. Like regardless, y'all, I'm chasing no matter what. Just
Here's
because
what we're gonna hope for. We're gonna hope for a lot worse of a morning round. Like literally just like light rain.
yes, so we're hoping for like not over convection, but
Even over convection would be fine. We just don't want that HRRR22Z scenario
Yeah, no.
where it wipes out all the instability.
We want what's over, like, Birmingham right now, like, downtown Birmingham and, like, within, like, a 25-mile radius. We want
Yeah,
that.
but we definitely don't want that much.
We
That's a
want
little too much over convection. You are right with
uh,
that.
yeah, no, we want that, but, like, half that. Like, take all
Another
those, like,
warning.
reds and
Northeast Tennessee.
uh,
Is it Pikeville?
it's Athens, I think.
I can't see those in no more, buddy. Yeah, that's like Philadelphia, Sweetwater.
Philly?
Yeah, Eastern Tennessee.
Oh.
There's more than one Philly, dude. This dude. Oh wait, I'm a little stupid. Yeah, zero Z's not. It depends. It might be done at 1919, friggin' 9:15, because it's only got to go out what 20 frames at that point.
18. Well, yeah, 20. But well, to see the morning round, probably 15.
Yeah,
To see if the
and
second round
some of
forms.
the second round 20.
Yeah. You want a full 24 hours if we want to see the full threat. Because I'm not chasing night. I don't care. I mean, I don't even care if we're gonna get a 20-hour night. I'm not chasing. I don't trust
I'm not
myself.
chasing night.
I'm not that experienced yet to chase a night threat at all.
Thankfully, this doesn't look like a night threat, which it did before.
Dude, no,
It did
the
before
first day it was crazy. It looked like an overnight threat.
in Eastern NC.
And y'all, honestly, whenever we chase y'all, we always we always end up in Eastern NC.
You know what I just realized?
What?
The 22Z HRRR significantly actually downtrended in morning convection there. Because the 18Z was like a full blown squall line across the whole state.
Uh-huh. And now 22 is just that little cluster, right?
Exactly.
So that's a
So
good
HRRR
sign.
actually downtrended a lot with that. Oh my word, is that actually true? Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, but see, that did hurt instability some
How? I thought less convection would
still.
mean better chance for clearing and more instability.
Yeah, but you got that intense squall part still.
Yeah, you're right. It's just gonna use everything.
Because it's not like light over convection, it's moderate squall line convection.
So we want what the 22Z H bar shows, just lighter.
Exactly, yeah.
Like it can be the same size little.
Widespread, not widespread, but like isolated light convection in the morning.
Yeah,
I think asking for no morning convection is impossible.
it's not happening. There's gonna be convection in the morning. Like if there's not, I will be shocked. Because then think about it, we would get like a lot of clearing, right?
Yeah.
It would be not, it wouldn't be clear skies, but it would be partly cloudy. I feel like. In what way are these storms moving to? Probably, do you think? Probably northeast, do you think? Or just east? I mean,
Probably east.
okay. What what what
East northeast.
what about, like, is there, like, a warm sector? Like, where
Lucky every threat has a warm
where
sector.
where is it gonna be at, like, 11 AM?
Why don't you look?
Well, I can't let me go to the WPC real quick and just see what they have for
See if they have a warm front. Okay, they just have a big old cold
uh,
front.
wait, yeah, uh,
Why do they have it so slow?
I don't know. Is that 2 cold fronts, or is that just no, that's
No, Lucky, that's a cold front and a cold front.
it looks like it!
It's two cold fronts, dude. Yes, two blue cold fronts means there's two cold fronts.
So I'm guessing that first one is the morning thing.
No, really.
I'm guessing the second one would be the second round, so which would mean
man.
What?
And no, you're wrong. The second one is not the second round.
What in the middle? Well, in the middle of that, I feel like maybe. That low
No,
pressure is all the way in Pennsylvania?
no,
Alright. That's what it says for tomorrow.
no. The first cold front is the second round
Is it?
because at 2 p.m. we've got mid 60 dew points in Southern Virginia, just barely east of my house. A cold front would sweep all that right out. So that's some initiation boundary or something that's ahead of the cold front right now. Yeah. Yes, because behind these storms, right now, behind these storms in central Mississippi, there are still mid 60 dew points. So this isn't technically your cold front here. Let me see what they say it is. Yeah, it's something's ahead of your cold front. They have your cold front marked, but it's slow. Like your cold front is back here, I think. That's the difficult part about weather is figuring out exactly what the fronts are. Hmm. Yeah, your cold front is definitely like right here. But why is that the second round and not the first round for tomorrow?
I have no clue. Good question.
Like that's definitely right now that is definitely your cold front. That's what's pushing these storms. But tomorrow, it's not.
Does it slow down?
Hmm. Interesting. We'll see what 0Z data says here in a decade and a half. Let's see if any of these storms are doing anything. I really don't think they are. They are tornado one, but none of them look really good anymore. Go to the Huntsville. Nah. Just make sure you're in your safe spot in those tornado warnings. They just don't really look very intense to me. Still interested in the one in central Alabama, though. Did you even read their discussion tomorrow? Because they updated that and I didn't read it.
Well, when did it update it? Because I read it at the beginning of my stream.
1730Z.
Oh, yeah, I read it. Let me read it.
Anything stuck out to you?
Lower top convection should be ongoing across parts of the central southern Appalachians vicinity at 12Z Sunday. Destabilization ahead of the activity should be muted by weaker mid-level lapse rates and substantially less boundary layer heating relative to the Florida Peninsula.
Mm-hmm.
But with very strong low-level shear winds, photographs will remain enlarged for a tornado threat. The deep layer meridional wind profile should tend to mostly parallel convective bands, which may temper a more widespread damaging wind threat. There is some signal and guidance at a secondary round of late afternoon to early evening redevelopment into the Piedmont with boundary layer recovery in the wake of early day activity. Confidence in this scenario is low as stronger forcing for ascent may be displaced north. As such, a broad level 2's slight risk for wind tornado remains appropriate at this juncture.
So they're not confident in the second round.
Yet, I feel like we'll get an update, and I feel like they might have a little more confidence. But it's been on the models for at least 12 hours.
Yeah, but did you see the 18Z? It looked horrible.
It did look horrible.
at least for the HRRR.
Yeah.
So the HRRR has the 18Z
What does the
HRRR has
rap
more
model
of a.
say?
I don't know. Nobody looks at that. I'll look at it.
Oh,
Um,
oh.
it's more of the HRRR scenario.
Okay, and let's see what's ahead of it. Let's get.
If that happens, I'm not gonna chase it if it's that squall line.
Yeah, no. If it's a squall line, I'm not chasing. Well, I'll still chase. It's still literally right next to me, so might as well.
I'm not gonna go all the way to Southeast NC for another squall. I'll see what it looks like in the morning. See what the SPC says tomorrow morning. I forgot when the day one updates in the morning.
What do you say?
I forgot when the day one updates in the morning.
Uh,
I'll still get up, I guess, at 7 and prepare to chase just in case.
I get up at like 8:30. Pretend I'm going to school, which means I'll go to bed tonight at like 11:30, 12. But either way, whether you're streaming or not, I do. Like I said, I do want to talk, at least about it.
I'll say it's Chattanooga. Mainly very heavy rain and a very isolated weak tornado threat and very isolated 40 to 50-mile-an-hour winds possible. Not really that high end of a scenario for y'all. Can't rule out a spin up tornado, but the main convection is off to your north, well off to your north, and also very well off to your southwest at the moment. Oops. All right, we lost the tornado warning. Just 3 left now. Is there anything else we can look at, Lucky, to help our forecast tomorrow? Need to find some more sources or something.
Only if meso analysis went out that far.
Yeah, right.
That's gonna be key tomorrow morning. Look at meso analysis because it'll be 6 hours. So if you wake up at 7, you'll be able to see all the way until 1 p.m. So you'll see that. Ooh, I wonder about the would D cape have something to do with that morning convection? If it
G-Cape helps. Yeah, helps wind.
okay, so that's one. Okay, that's all right.
Yeah, I'm not sure if there's really anything else we could look at here.
Yeah. I mean, we looked at the ARRR, NAM, RAP, CSU, SPC, uh, soundings.
Don't want to really get too into soundings till day of.
Yeah.
At least if you're well, that's not exactly true.
Wait. Where are these?
That's definitely not true. You want to look at soundings throughout everything.
All right. So if I go right here, if I go to where is it at? It is at observe soundings. Okay. So I want to look at a uh
Why the NAM so slow? The normal
ah
NAM is slow with the supercell threat. Like for some reason, it doesn't have it getting off till 8.
ooh,
Crazy.
W Matthew in the chat.
Thank you, Matthew, for the $10 donation. I appreciate that. Glad to see you made it through the storm.
Oh, give me like 1 minute. All right.
All right. We're just kind of we're just talking about a chase tomorrow. Watching these tornado warnings, not really too intensely. They're not really any impressive areas of rotation with them. So we're just talking about tomorrow's potential chase in Central NC, and we're gonna wait for the SPC outlook at 9, which is in an hour and 5 minutes. Thoughts on today? I think it performed as expected. Um, the rest of the night, we could still see a very isolated, strong tornado threat. Very isolated. You can see how this convection has become more discrete and semi-discrete down here. So, and we definitely could see an isolated, strong tornado throughout the rest of the night. But I don't think the overnight threat is that high, to be honest with you. We may be able to see a brief spin up tornado or two tonight, and it may be strong. The HRRR model run just keeps overdoing the intensity of these storms, so not really relying off of that. Like I mentioned before, there is a possibility for a second peak. There's the possibility for a second peak of severe weather late tonight towards like 10, 11 p.m. Eastern. But I'm not confident in that either. The SPC also talked about that in their mesoscale discussion in this area earlier. That MCD you see here in the red. They talked about a potential secondary increase in activity.
TRG.
There's still a good environment, yeah.
Um, especially for tomorrow when you go into the SPC, you go to observe soundings. There's some in looks like northwestern NC, but I mean that's still in NC, like the observed ones that the National Weather Service do.
What do
So,
you mean?
um,
Oh yeah, like at 12 o'clock. Yeah,
yeah.
they're gonna do one in Northwest NC, Southwest VA. Yeah,
I
Blacksburg and near Greensboro or Winston.
I think so. It looks a little more northwest than that. Almost near like, n- did you say North Wilkesboro?
We observed tornado warning.
Oh, um, well, either way, TRG. By the way, I'm gonna end at 15 no matter what because me food ready and I ain't leaving.
This dude.
It's
Weather spotters confirmed a tornado. Of course, this dude. That looks like hail right there. I don't think that is the tornado. I don't see any very strong area rotation. There might be some broad rotation in here. But hopefully that is a relatively weak tornado there. And again, that is in far east central Tennessee. Now I confirm tornado warning there for Kingston, Tennessee. Just barely outside of Sweetwater, Tennessee. We still have that radar indicated warning for Pikeville, Tennessee for 16 minutes. And then, of course, our other radar indicated warning for 31 minutes in central Alabama. That is for New Bern, Alabama. I do want to go see what this is. Okay, that is a normal severe. So these are struggling. I don't know exactly why they are, but they are. And that is fantastic because any strong long track tornado threat tonight would have probably came from these. You can see that they're relatively more, they're not semi-discrete and they're not fully clustered, right? They're kind of in between. Some are semi-discrete, and then there's some bunches that are somewhat clustered. So it's a mixture of two modes. Whereas if we go into central Alabama, you can see everything is just a big cluster of storms, a big blob. All right, you want me to mute Lucky?
uh, yeah. I mean, I guess. All right, guys. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna conclude here in the next 10 minutes. Let me open this. All right. All right. All right, Austin. Yeah, I cannot wait for tomorrow to chase. Hopefully TRG tags along. All right. Yeah, yeah, we do have a confirmed tornado warning confirmed by weather spotters. So that's something to talk about for the rest of the time that we're here. What areas do you say you're chasing tomorrow? Probably central to western North Carolina. We'll see. It all depends on what the 00Z HFR says is where I'm gonna plan on going. Thanks. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. We're gonna see central to western or eastern. Central to western. Let's see. All right. So y'all will possibly be going through Greensboro. Yeah.
Lucky you got some.
Hello.
So, from a intense to potentially violent tornado earlier in Tylertown, Mississippi, there have been 3 confirmed fatalities,
Oh no.
and there's probably way more injuries too.
No.
Also, a new tornado watch is expected to be issued before 9 p.m. Eastern, so within the hour across the Atlanta metro area in Georgia, all the way down to Pensacola and Panama City, Florida. And
All
it looks like
right.
that might be a pretty good watch too. 140 to 170 peak tornado intensity. So
Uh,
yeah, the potential for long tracked significant tornadoes exists into the overnight hours. So there you go.
yep. That's something, I guess. Sucks, but
Eastern Alabama will see an uptick in severe weather around 9. I think that's just because of the storms getting there. I don't think it's actually going to be like a notable intensity increase. But we will be live to show you guys that new tornado watch. Well, Lucky won't. I
Yeah.
will. Did you see that confirmed warning with a Knoxville radar site, Northeast Tennessee? I really think that's hail because
Uh,
ZDR spectrum with didn't match up with it.
Jefferson City radar is what the one I'm using.
Let me
Oh,
see.
Knoxville. Yeah, Knoxville. Yeah, 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 yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
it,
Yeah,
to say it's
my
literally
bad.
Knox.
My bad. My bad. My bad.
Well, yeah, that is closer to Jefferson City, but Knoxville is what it's called.
Yeah.
Yep. There's still that tornado warning in central Alabama for 24 minutes. So, and then a new severe north of Mobile, but it's not even tornado possible. So those storms on the southern end are struggling big time. So I doubt we're going to see a notable uptick in the next 2 hours in tornadic activity. I just think what they mean by uptick is storms will move from central to eastern Alabama, which may pose a isolated risk for a strong tornado. All right.
Alrighty. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Let's see. So we do got 2 confirmed tornado warnings and 1 not confirmed. Still keeping an eye on those, but like I said, y'all, we are coming to an end. Unfortunately, I did just want to be here at least, just cover a little bit. Alrighty. All right. Yeah, these warnings are gonna still be observed for the next 30 minutes. Whenever we leave, and just be weather aware if you get inside of any tornado warnings today. All right. And those tornado warnings are one in Alabama is in the high risk, and the ones in Tennessee are close to leaving the enhanced risk. So, yeah. Let's see. Alrighty. Hey, y'all. We are coming to an end here. I appreciate every single last one of y'all. I mean, TRG,
What?
you want to say bye, my chat?
Bye, Lucky's chat.
All right. Oh yeah, no, it's not gonna be
Lucky.
nowhere near these past 2 days. Yes,
Hi.
this dude. But all right, guys, if you guys did enjoy this, if you guys did enjoy this stream, make sure you do like and subscribe, turn the post notification bell on, so you do get notified when I do go live or when I make a video. Please share this channel with your friends and family. Let's get the word out to people. Let's let them know what weather's coming their way. And yeah, thank you to everyone who's tuned in today, especially for the past couple days. I appreciate y'all. Bye, Lakeisha. Hope to see you tomorrow when I'm on the road. Hope to see you in chat. And yeah. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys so much. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Goodbye. Thank you guys for tuning in today's stream. I will see y'all tomorrow on the road. See you later, guys. Love y'all.